Hey guys, it's TR again from T-Man Performance. We're kind of excited. We've finally done all of our testing on our new head breathers, and we feel that it's time to release them. We've had them out in the public. We've had some of our dealers doing some testing on them, and we've gotten good reviews from everybody. So I wanted to kind of give you a quick overview of what these are, and then what we'll do is, it'd be too lengthy to go through everything. We'll put some still pictures online so that you can see the internals and how everything works. But this is your Harley Davidson. This is the breather that comes in your Harley Davidson as of right now. And the problem that we see with them is, as you can see, they're a seamed breather. They're glued together, and then they have a little flapper valve in the top. It's just a little 7/8 rubber valve, and then the holes that release it are very small. So what we're finding is that these motors as the bores get bigger, and they're going to continue to get bigger, there's just not enough breathing system in these stock breathers. So what we have ended up doing is Brian, myself, and Mark, we kind of just put our heads together and we designed this new breather. This is the new breather that is going to be released this month from T-Man Performance. It's a two-piece billet breather, has a gasket in the center. It's held together with all stainless steel hardware. So how I wanted to show you, I've got this rocker box loose. Now to install those, you would just take your top rocker box off. You do not have to remove your lower rocker box, but you would have to remove your rocker arm. And then that piece, this here, will just snap right in to your thing, and it is screwed down with a stainless steel screw. And what this does, this piece here, this breather is over 2.5 times more volume area than your stock one. It has a reed valve style breather to seal it, and the way that was, when the pressure comes in, it opens this, and then it has a stainless steel top that basically closes it. And then, so this is a very efficient, it's 2 times the breathing, and it will also help with these big bore motors. I think you'll be very pleased with this. We have been releasing them. There was several sets installed in Sturgis this year and in other dealers at some of our premier dealers. So if you would take a look at these online, I think you'll be very pleased with them. One of the things that we do when we are done with these, they go onto a fixture. Each set will go onto a fixture, and then we will leak down these things. As you can see, we're putting 20 pounds of pressure in that reed valve, and we're 80%, 20 for 20. So that's a 0% of loss. So what it amounts to is, these are something we've worked very hard on. We've done the testing on them. They're working very well, and we are seeing big benefits out of these big motors with these breathers in them. The Sierra and Brandon are going to offer a introductory sale on these for the month of October. We have 25 sets in stock. We're in the process right now of running another 25 off. So if you're interested in them, please go ahead and place your orders. We will honor the price if we do run out of them in the month of October. So thank you very much, and that's a quick oversight. And look at our website for the pictures and the other updates and the features of these breathers. Thank you very much.